Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have as our question. So we have to find the integral of the function cos 2 alpha cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha, and we have to integrate it with respect to x or dx, whatever you say. Now the question may look difficult on the first sight, but it can be broken down into a simplified expression with the help of some trigonometric identities. And the trigonometric identity that we are using is cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. And the another identity that we will use is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. These two identities are the one we are going to use in this question. So cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Here a is 2x and 2 alpha is b. So we can write cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha as minus 2 sin a plus b by 2, that is 2x plus 2 alpha divided by 2. A minus b by 2, that is 2x minus 2 alpha divided by 2. And similarly for cos x minus cos alpha, that is minus 2 sin x plus a by 2 into sin x minus a by 2. We are just simplifying the expression in this step and we get something like this. Now what should be our next step? Now we again break sin x plus a and sin x minus a into simpler terms with the help of this identity. So sin x plus alpha can be assumed as 2a. So a will be x plus a by 2. So what we get? Sin 2 into x plus a by 2 gives us 2 sin x plus a by 2 into cos x by 2. And similarly here 2 sin x minus a by 2 cos a by 2 upon sin x plus a by 2 sin x minus a by 2 as it was given earlier. Now what should be our next step? We can see that let me use a different color. Which color should I use? This one. This part cuts this thing. This part cancels itself. So what we get now? We get 2 into 2 cos of x plus a by 2 into cos of x minus a by 2. Now let us move to the next slide. Give me a sec. Okay, so finally we have 4 cos x plus a by 2 cos x minus a by 2. Now we again take the help of an identity, that is cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. For that case can be written as cos a plus b plus or minus, it should be plus only, right? Yeah, plus cos a minus b, whatever, just check the minus plus sign, I just forgot. So we can take the help of this identity and we can write the above expression as 2 cos x plus cos alpha. And now this integration is pretty easy. 2 cos x can be written as sin x and 2 cos alpha is a constant, so it can be written as it is multiplied by x. So that is our final answer. We are get our final answer as 2 into sin x plus x cos alpha plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So that is it. I hope you all understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.